This business made me close to 1 million naira last year, honestly. And last year was my second year in the business. My first year, I was able to make 300,000 naira from that particular business. So this year is going to be third year. So that's why I think, let me share with you right now, which is the best time for you to start if you have intention on starting. Mind you, this business is not for everyone. It's not for everyone. It's only those that feel like they can actually do this type of business. If you know you are like me, from poor background, you don't have any supporter, you don't have anyone that can actually help you, especially you are also a student or a fresh graduate, this business is probably for you. As if I can do it, I believe you can do this as well. So now let's get started. What is this business about? You are going to become an educational consultant. I made a video about back card last year, and people were like, what is she talking about? How is she? Some people called me a liar, some people joined my group, some people asked for assistance, and I was able to like add them to the group to see what I am doing and how I am doing it. And now I'm very sure that they are going to be creating their own group this year to start making money from that particular business. So yes, I make 50,000 naira in 7 days from that particular business, but it's not like right now. It's a seasonal business. Yes, it is a seasonal business, and I feel like this is the best time. Yeah, this is even the best time for you to start if you have intention of starting, because we are not making money right now. It's not the time to start making money from that business, but it's time for you to start gathering students. What type of skill do you need to actually make money as an educational blogger? The skill you need, you just need the basic knowledge about your school, and also you have to be following JAMB, WAEC, NECO on X. You follow other educational bloggers as well, so you get updates daily. So you are going to be posting on that particular group that you open. Your next question is probably, how am I going to be getting audience to even render my service to? You're going to be creating a Facebook group. This Facebook group you are going to name it a particular name of your school. For instance, you want to become an educational blogger and you are going to Uni Osun or Uni Abuja. You create a Facebook group, you name it Uni Osun Aspirants Group 2027/2028 or 2026/2027. Then you keep uploading like daily. It's not just started. If you are going to be creating your group after you're done watching this video, you have to be uploading daily. JAMB is on their way, like they will soon write JAMB next month, so you get information, be posting in that particular group. If you don't have any information to post, you can just say hi, good morning, just post anything just to know that, so that people that wants to join will know that this group is actually active for them to join. You get. And also make sure you moderate the admin, so other people will not be posting rubbish in your group, because people are just so fond of that. They can post anything in that particular group. If they see that it's functioning and people are joining, they want to set their markets, they'll start posting market unnecessary stuff in that particular group. So it's your own duty to moderate that group. Make sure or make use of the admin assistant on Facebook to help you moderate it. You get my point? So anybody cannot post anything without your permission. That is that for that. Now, what service am I going to be rendering as an educational blogger or consultant? So these are the services you're going to be rendering. And if you don't know any about how to render all of these things, let me know in the comment section. And one more important skill that you need is that you need to know how to convert your file to PDF formats, printable formats. Because whenever you want to deliver your work to the students, it has to be in a printable format so that they can print it out, at their own end. So if you don't know how to do that, that is a big problem. You need to know from your phone. You don't have to use your system, you don't have to use anything, especially when you now have Android, to make your work easier. So if you are using iPhone, you can do it as well, and you can collaborate with your friend that has a laptop. So the next thing is, you're going to create a WhatsApp group. Okay, you're going to be directing the followers from your Facebook group to your WhatsApp group, so the guys can actually engage with each other. When they trust you, that is only when they can actually ask you to render them a service. That is when they can trust you with their money. Put yourself in their shoe. When they trust you enough, they feel like they can actually message this person, they can ask this person any question, and the person is answering them. They can easily come to you and say, okay, I want to print my JAMB results, I want to print my Kiniko result, I want to do this, I want to do that. And also, if you want to print JAMB results, if you don't know how to do any of these things, let me know in the comment section so I can make a practical tutorial for you guys in case you want to go into it. Lastly is that I want you to see yourself as a guidance, like a proper guide. Don't see yourself as you are not capable of this. If you believe that you can do this, then you are going to, you're definitely going to do it. No one taught me about this my first year. I think about it, and boom, I started it. And luckily for me, I was working in an organization where they actually relate with students in IGMB centers, the programs. So that was how I was like, oh, let me just start this thing. I was actually looking for students for to register for IGMB because I would get a commission when I refer people to that particular stuff, like kind of an affiliate stuff. But the commission was huge, like you can get like 50,000 naira from there, and all you have to do just to refer, and that's your own, and you get your own commission ASAP. So, and then at the long run, I feel like, oh, let me just render this service. People that did not get admission, they can actually go to this option. And that was how I started all of this journey of educational consultant. I feel like, oh, let me just share with you guys, and you can actually benefit from it as well if you are looking for a way you can actually generate money. Because honestly, if you don't have money, there's nothing you can do to make money. That is it. If you don't have money, there's nothing you can do to make money. If you want to learn a skill and high demand skill, you need money to learn it. And if you keep complaining, if you keep complaining, as giving excuses from tomorrow to next tomorrow, you're not going to make any money. So yeah, you have to opt in for your available option that you have. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's something that you can actually go for? And do you have any question? Let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do any practical tutorial for you on how you can actually render this some of the service, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that for you. Okay guys, see you in the next video, and do take care of yourself. Bye.